Effort to prevent attacks by Kuki militants at Thamnapokpi, Sanasabi and Uyok Hill of Imphal East, security force team has occupied the bunkers built at Uyok Hilltop. A combined team of Army, BSF and CRPF occupied the bunker after 3 failed attempts, and they will be stationing at the area from tonight. According to reports, security force attempted to occupy the bunkers 7:30 this morning. However, numerous Kuki men and women blocked the security force. Later, drone footage showed that the security force moved past the crowd by using force, and the crowd resisted by pelting stones towards them. The Kuki militants had already fled the bunkers when security force arrived at the area. There has been no incident of firing after security force occupied the bunkers.